Choosing an iPad. Before you can start using Add to Cart, you must have an iPad. This video will help you understand the differences between iPad models and guide you through the process of choosing and purchasing one. Note that Add to Cart was written for the iPad, so it will not run on other tablets or any other type of laptop or desktop computer. There are just a couple of questions that you need to answer in order to decide which iPad is right for you. But keep in mind that Add to Cart will work on any iPad ever made. This guide is offered just to help you make sure that you'll get the most out of your iPad in your business. The first important choice to consider is how the iPad will connect to the internet. Add to Cart doesn't require an internet connection, but there are many useful apps that do, and there will probably be more in the future. So you'll want to consider which method of connecting to the internet will work best for your business. It's not a matter of deciding whether or not you want to connect to the internet. You will need to connect to the internet. The question is deciding how you'll do it. All iPads can connect to the internet, but there are two options for how they connect. Those choices are called 3G or Wi-Fi. The 3G model connects directly to the internet like a smartphone. As long as there's cellular coverage in the area, a 3G iPad can log on. The Wi-Fi model can only connect indirectly to the internet by using a network, like when you're at home or the office or at a public Wi-Fi hotspot. The 3G iPad costs more up front, and there will be a monthly fee for mobile internet use. This is a good choice if you expect that the iPad will be your primary device for connecting to the internet on the go, and if the monthly fee is not prohibitive. On the other hand, if your sales force already carries smartphones with hotspot capability, then you don't need to pay for this capability on your iPad as well. Or, if you do not anticipate the need to connect the iPad to the internet in remote locations, then the Wi-Fi will also work for you. The best choice is different for each business, and you don't need to worry too much about making the wrong choice. Either way will help you move your business forward. The next choice concerns the amount of memory you want your iPad to have. Again, this is not a choice that matters for using Add to Cart, because the minimum memory that you can buy is more than sufficient for running Add to Cart. But buying more memory will allow you to store more songs, videos, apps, brochures, or documents. If you'll be using your iPad strictly for business use, the minimum memory, 16 gigabytes, will probably be sufficient. If you'll be allowing your employees to use the iPad as a personal entertainment device, then you'll probably want to opt for the middle configuration, 32 gigabytes. Users who need the maximum memory, 64 gigabytes, usually already know who they are. The other choices are just a matter of personal taste. Choose the color and accessories you like the most. But remember that when you use Add to Cart, the customer will actually be holding the iPad, so make sure to keep it professional.